Hello and welcome back to my channel Learn with Nikhil. So in this video we have taken another sum on redraw the figure. So this is the question given. It's a simple tool. You have to redraw it same using the proper dimensions which are given in the question. We'll start with the figure with this base. So we'll draw this line. This line is of height 40. So making it dark. This is of height 40. Starting from this side, then the thickness is of 10 millimeters. So this is a rectangular box of height 40 and thickness of 10 millimeters. Just make this entire part dark. Again, you can start the figure from any side. I'm starting it from over here. Now this thickness given is 30, as you can see. So marking the center point, and 15 millimeters above and 15 millimeters below I'll mark the point, which will give me this. Drawing parallel lines or perpendicular lines from this. Drawing it lightly first. The length of this lines is 20. It is given in the question. So drawing it dark 20, and here also marking the point and drawing it dark. So this thickness is of 20 millimeters. I'll join this straight line first. Now you can see you have a curve of radius 30 r, 30 r it is given, so radius 30. Now with the same procedure, first I'll take on the compass a radius of 30. This is one end from where the curve starts. Put the pointer over there, cut an arc. Same, keep the pointer over here, complete the arc. You will get the center point from where we have to draw the curve. Now this will be the start point and the end point of the curve. So this is how you have drawn it. So this is it. Now moving forward with this curves. Now this curve, the radius given is 60 r, that is the curve of that radius is 60 millimeters. Now as you can see, you have again a thickness of 28 millimeters at the center. So from the center, 14 millimeters above and 14 millimeters below, I'll mark the point. So this is 14 millimeters above and 14 millimeters below. So which is the curve thickness of the figure which is at the center. You can see it in the question. So I've drawn the slight lines of height of 28 millimeters. This curve you can see. Now the upper side curve is of 60 r, that is 60 millimeters. So for drawing that, again I am drawing this light lines of 40 millimeter above and 40 millimeters below. That is the curve of this. So this is 28 and this is 40. So this distance is given. This is 40. Now the curve start and the end point for drawing 60 r radius. On the compass I'll take a distance of 60. Just start and the end point. So this is the one point from where the curve starts. You can see it in the figure. Keeping it over there, I'm drawing one curve. Now as this is the 60 curve, it is attached or touched over here also. So from here also we can cut an arc of 60, but the line should be straight perpendicular. So for that, see how I'm doing it. I'm taking the ruler scale as a perpendicular line. Now keeping the pointer over here, I am locating where the height of 60 it is. So here you can see it is exactly the height of 60. So keeping the pointer over here, I will draw the curve. As the curve should touch the 28 millimeter line, it is touched at this point. So with this method, you can exactly get the curve which touches the 28 millimeter thickness height. Now the same thing you have to do it at the bottom side also. I'll just locate this point over here. See how I'm marking it. Now from here I'll just cut an arc, so I'll get the center point. Keeping the pointer over here, I'll draw the curve. So with this we have got these two curves of 60 r radius. Now this curve is of radius 50 r. The upper and bottom side, both sides it is there. The curve touches the 40 millimeter height. Again, it should touch here. So I'm considering the start and the end point. On the compass, I'm taking a distance of 50 millimeter. Now from here, the curve starts. You can do with the same method as I did earlier, as it should touch the curve or line of 40 millimeter. So this will be the one point from where I'm considering to start the curve, as it is given in the question. Now the curve ends over here. Now I'll draw the center line, which will give me the exact idea of the center curve also. So the curve, you have to assume the curve where it touches the bottom side. So locating the point over here, it should touch this 40 millimeter line. So I have to consider the compass and draw the curve. So as I draw on it over here, same thing you have to do it at the bottom side, opposite end. You have to locate this pointer on the top side. So I'm considering the line over here. I'll calculate the distance of the pointer from the 40 millimeter line, and the same thing I'll do it on the bottom side also. Now final, this curve is again, the radius given is 10R, that is 10 millimeter radius. So taking on the compass 10 millimeter radius, keeping the pointer over here, cut an arc on these two lines, keeping the pointer over here, and get the center point from where the curve will start. So keeping the pointer, I have to draw the curve. So this is how we have drawn the entire figure. Just make the lines dark and we are done with the figure. Just marking the dimensions part is remaining and you have completed the figure. Mark the dimensions as given in the figure exactly. 60R. We have done with the dimension marking. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts, any queries, let me know in the comment section. You can also connect with me on Instagram.